Hi everyone, it's Yasin here and welcome to Kimironko. Today we are touring this beautiful stunning home that is located in one of Kigali's most peaceful and secure neighborhood. It has a spacious living area, contemporary design and all that comes in comfort and style. The specs for this one, it has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It is built on a plot of 573 square meters with an asking price of 190 million Rwandan francs. This could be your next dream home. Now let's have a close look around. We're starting our tour at the entrance of this compound where we have this sliding gate that opens up to this incredible parking space that can accommodate 3 cars. But if they are medium-sized car, maybe you can squeeze in here 4 of them. I like the pavements, I like the pavers, I like the intricacy and the color palettes in those pavers. And if you come this way, we have this elevated ground that is nicely landscaped. I like the beautiful lawn. I like how it is surrounded by trees and flowers. And as well, to bring more accent, you can see there's white stones or pebble stones. They bring more accent to this garden. If you come this way, we have this staircase that leads us to this front porch where we have the formal entrance of this amazing home. It is so spacious, you can even put a sitting area where you can sit with a family or the friends while enjoying the compound. That's it for the outside. Now let's check out the inside. Welcome once again inside our house. As you can see, those 2 double doors opens up direct to the living area. It is so spacious. We have some tile floor finish on the floor and also some gypsum board ceiling design surrounded by some spotlights. And we also have some large windows to allow natural light and also maximize ventilation system, as we don't need much of that inside our country. We have good climate weather. And this big, large empty window that is trimmed in wood separates a living area from the dining area that is also spacious. As you can see, you can fit in here any type of dining table. And now we are inside our kitchen. As you can see, we have ton of cabinetries. I like the texture on the doors of those cabinetries. There is a place for your cooker. There is a place for your refrigerator. There is a double sink on that side. And we also have some open shelvings. And as well, this kitchen has a pantry room. And that door that you see on that side opens up to the backyard where we have outside kitchen, staff quarter, and a laundry area. Now, that's it for this kitchen. Let's check out the first bedroom inside this home. The first bedroom in this home, it is located on this side. As you open this door, you see this junction where we have 2 doors. The first door opens up to the bed area. Now, inside the bed area, as you can see, it is so spacious. We have some large windows, tile floor finish, gypsum board ceiling design, and can fit in here a queen-size bed easily. And as well, it has its own closet. And coming back to the junction, the second door opens up to the bathroom for this bedroom. It has a floating sink, it has a water closet, and also a walk-in shower. That's it for this bathroom. Now let's check out the second bedroom inside this home that is located on this way. If you enter this hallway, this first door opens up to the first bedroom, and the second door here opens up to the third bedroom that are identical. It has approximately 10 square meters of inside, and they both share this bathroom that is on this side. It has a floating vanity, a water closet, and as well a walk-in shower. Now let's check out the master bedroom that is located on this side. Now we are inside the master bedroom. It is so spacious. I like how it is themed. Again, gypsum board ceiling design. Same tile floor finish that flow across the entire home. It has some built-in closet on that side, some large window again to allow maximum and natural light inside here. Now that's it for the master bed area. Let's check out the master walk-in closet that is located on this side. As you can see, this place, it is designed for the master walk-in closet. It is not that big, but you can fit in here some cabinetry so that you can have a very nice walk-in closet. And this door that you see here opens up to the master bathroom. And now, inside the master bathroom, as you can see, when you walk inside, the first thing that you see is this floating vanity with some cabinetry below. and also some have some niche on this side and the lighting. We have a water closet also in the middle. On one end we have a walk-in shower, and on the other hand we have this bathtub that is built in, and as well with this shower, so that in case you want to shower in here you can do so. That's it for the master bathroom. Now we are at the end of today's video, but before we close up, let me tell you something. This is an opportunity to grab if you are looking for a place to settle in Kigali. Thanks for taking your time to watch today's video. Please, if you enjoyed it, leave us a like, comment and share, and if you are new here, consider subscribing. And as well, for more information about this property, look down the description or contact us through the contact information below. See you next time, but till then, ciao ciao.